Hi! The next few videos are going to cover the last major building block in this module, functions. So what is a function? You've actually already made use of a few functions in this course. Range, int, and input are all examples of functions. Right now, you can just understand them as things that have names and do things. In this lesson, you'll learn how to make your own functions. Okay, why are functions important? Functions allow us to break our programs into smaller parts and make the program easier to understand. When you make your own function, you do so like this. The word def, the name of your function, a pair of parentheses, and a colon, and then some code underneath. Here's an example. It starts with the word def, and it's called greeting. Below is, you probably guessed it, the body of the function. This part will make more sense when we talk about using functions. For now, think of greeting as an alias for these two print statements. From this point on, every time you say greeting in your code, what you mean is print hello and print nice to meet you. And of course, everything in the function body must be indented by one level. When we define a function, nothing actually happens in the console. At this point, we have merely taught Python how to print a greeting. Now we have to tell Python to do it. We do this by calling the function. Each time we call it, the code in the function gets executed. This is part of why functions are valuable. They allow us to save some code for later and then use and reuse it without typing it out each time.